Unity's Marc Whitten, who leads Unity Create, the arm of Unity responsible for the Unity engine and editor teams, has just released an open letter to the community detailing sweeping changes to the latest Unity pricing updates, including the runtime fee policy. Marc starts the letter by saying the following: "I want to start with this. I am sorry. We should have spoken with more of you, and we should have incorporated more of your feedback before announcing our new runtime fee policy. Our goal with this policy is to ensure we can continue to support you today and tomorrow and keep deeply investing in our game engine. You are what makes Unity great, and we know we need to listen and work hard to earn your trust. We have heard your concerns, and we are making changes in the policy we announced to address them." He goes on to say that the Unity Personal plan will remain free and that games built with Unity Personal will not be subject to the runtime fee. As well as this, the revenue cap for Unity Personal will be increased from $100,000 to $200,000. And to top it off, Unity Personal users will be able to remove the Made with Unity splash screen going forward. He then clarifies that no game with less than $1 million in revenue in the last 12 months will be subject to the fee. For Unity Pro and Enterprise creators, the runtime fee will only begin to be applicable for those who upgrade to the next LTS version of Unity and beyond, the next of which is due to ship in 2024. Perhaps the most important part of this whole announcement is that Marc states, "We will make sure that you can stay on the terms applicable for the version of the Unity editor you are using as long as you keep using that version." If I understand this correctly, this means that providing you don't upgrade Unity, you will never be impacted by further changes Unity make to their terms of service, such as future pricing changes. With regards to the runtime fee itself, Unity creators will now have a choice. Either pay 2.5% in revenue share, which is 2.5% less than Unreal Engine's current terms, or the calculated amount based on the number of new people engaging with your game each month, whichever is the lesser amount. Both of these will be self-reported by developers. Since the wording here is new people engaging with your game, this also seems to suggest a backtrack on the install metric and appears to target new unique customers only. He closes the letter by saying that there will be a live fireside chat at 4 p.m. Eastern Time today or 1 p.m. Pacific Time, which I'll leave a link to in the description below, and also says, "We want to continue to build the best engine for creators. We truly love this industry and you are the reason why. Thank you for caring as deeply as you do, and thank you for giving us hard feedback." So, what are your thoughts on this update? Is it enough to rebuild the trust that's been broken? Let me know what you think down in the comments below. Personally, I think we'll see a lot of people remain angry and frustrated for a while, but I do believe that a lot of developers will be appeased by these changes. I think the changes are a positive move, and I hope they go some way to rebuilding trust with Unity developers and studios whose livelihoods depend on the Unity engine. With that said, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.